Donuts, the current trend among bakery products. For W.P. Kemper, an opportunity to invite experts from all over the world to the Donut Days in December 2011. W.P. Kemper manufactures machinery for mixing and processing dough and demonstrated the latest generation of the Evolution donut line before it was shipped to a customer. The new patented manufacturing technology for making donuts attracted international attention, and more than 60 guests from all over the world attended the Donut Days at the new baking centre in Riedberg, Germany. It's equipped with machines from the W.P. Bakery Group, mixers, dough processors, and cooling and baking appliances. Customers can test all the individual processing stages involved in producing bakery products. Experts from W.P. Kemper and suppliers were on hand to explain to guests everything about donuts. In their talks, specialists from W.P. Kemper pointed out that in the production of donuts, it's especially important to bear in mind the whole process and coordinate the various stages. The Donut Days guests got an interesting overview of trends in the donut market. For example, the combination of convenience and high-taste products. Employees and partner companies discussed, amongst other things, the various stages involved in producing donuts, as well as the numerous finishing possibilities. W.P. Kemper clearly illustrated how important the right mixing technology is for achieving good results. Other essential factors for producing perfect donuts are exact moulding and dividing. In a lecture, guests were informed about the weigh accuracy of the W.P. Kemper Soft Star head machine and the donut module.
So you have a slightly compressed dough in the middle and water will come to the surface.
Part of the practical demonstration was producing dough with the Wheelout President Series mixer. The highlight of the event, of course, was the demonstration of the Evolution donut line series. In a 10-row configuration, the line produces up to 24,000 donut dough pieces per hour. A world first is the patented stamping method, which produces fewer cutting edges on the donuts which can absorb fat. Furthermore, it significantly reduces scrap dough to less than 5%. Comparable lines from other manufacturers produce approximately 35%. Thus, the new line with integrated donut module ensures far more cost-efficient production. The importance of donuts as a trend in the baking industry was a talking point for guests, process experts, and W.P. Kemper personnel. Specialists for each processing stage in donut production were happy to answer guests' questions. They provided information about the entire process, from the choice of ingredients to the finished product. The decisive message of the event was how important it is to focus on the entire process of donut production, because only those who master the whole process can guarantee constant quality. A thought also reflected in the slogan "Think Process" of the W.P. Bakery Group, of which W.P. Kemper is a member. Needless to say, the donuts produced were tested and tasted, and met with the approval of all the experts present. W.P. Kemper's next Donut Days in Riedberg, Germany will take place in spring 2012.